Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is our Jake's Farmyard medium hopper style chicken feeder. I'm going to quickly show you how to unbox and how to assemble. So you're just going to cut the strap. And simply take the top half of the box off. We're very proud of this product. We design and manufacture it in the UK, and we also design and manufacture the packaging. So simply take that out of the packaging. So there's not much assembly to do on this, so all you do, take the lid off, and you can find the flaps that screw on here. You're going to find the screws that you need. All you need is a small Phillips screwdriver. So there's 4 screws in the bag. You need a simple Phillips screwdriver. So you take the flap, and simply screw it on. Okay, then we're going to put the second screw in. It's a very simple process. And then repeat that on the other side. Remember, you want to put the flap downwards. There you have it. So there you go, the flaps are on, and this is our medium size hopper style feeder. So you can fill up it with grain or pellets, whatever you feed your chickens, and it will dispense down, and they'll eat out the troughs here, and this will protect it from rain. Simply put the lid on, and hopefully that gives you many years of joy for you and your chickens. If you want to see our full range of chicken feeders, please check out indooroutdoors.co.uk.